Uh, in reality, Mr. Chairman, I think all these people are lying to their teeth. Kahit napitpitin mo pa yung eyeballs ng mga ito, hindi aamin ito because they want to save their faces. But anyway, I just want to have one question before I will make my final statement, Mr. Chair.
Sige, go ahead,
I will
Congressman.
address this to Major General Nartate. Sir, ano po yung standard operating procedure ng chain of command? Like Colonel Guevara, alam niya na mali yung instruction ni General Mariano, who is his superior. What will he do next? Kung alam mo na mali yung instruction sa'yo na superior, will you go to the higher level, to the next ranking officer, a higher than General Mariano? Can you tell us, please? Can you enlighten us all here?
Tama po yun, Your Honor. Kung merong utos na illegal or merong utos na in conflict with the certain policies or procedure, ay dapat magreklamo siya either sa superior officer niya, direct superior, or he can go up.
No,
Marami
superior officer General Nartates is a superior officer niya, General Mariano, dahil andes sa DSOU, tama? So, meaning to say, mali yung instruction sa kanya ng General Mariano. Pwede ba siyang dumiretso sa iyo o sa deputy mo, deputy head ng NCRPO or sa iyo mismo?
Pwedeng dumirekto sa akin or sa mga kasamahan ko sa regional headquarters, Your Honor.
Alam naman po ito, General Nartates, na lahat ng mga officers natin ng PNP, pagpasok po nila sa service, ito po yung tinuturo, yung chain of command. Tama po ba?
Tama po yun, Your Honor. But in cases na ganito, na involved mismo ang iyong superior or direct commander, pwede kang pumunta sa level ng next level after your commander, Your Honor.
Pwede ka rin hindi mo nasundin because alam mo na mali yung instruction. Tama po ba? You won't get in trouble if you don't follow that order. Tama po ba, General Nartates?
Tama po yan, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Chair, I would like to direct now my statement to General Mariano. General Mariano, I think you are a disgrace to the Philippine National Police, especially to the officers corps, especially to the high-ranking officers of what you did. Obvious po na nagsisinungaling ka. Obvious po na pinagtatakpan ka, pinipilit nito mga tao mo sa ilalim. Pag tinatanong sila kung kaninong kasalanan, ayaw kang ituro. Pare-pareho naman ho kayo mawawala sa serbisyo. Natatawa na lang nga po itong mga senior officers na mga kasama niyo ho dati, si Colonel Busita, ngayon ay congressman, si General Acop, na ngayon congressman na rin. You guys are all lying. Mr. Chairman, I hate to say this, parang binabastos ho itong committee mo. Kaya if you would, Mr. Chair, and I don't know if our other congressmen here, our committee members would agree with me. Sir, let us cite these people in contempt. Siguro nalulungkot yung 6 na nakakulong sa baba. Gusto siguro nilang magkaroon ng party sa baba. Why don't I suggest, isama na ho ito simula kay General Mariano at iba pa mga officers para magkaroon sila ng party mamayang gabi. Mag-party sila doon hanggang sa ma-realize nila nagsisinungaling sila because walang patutunguhan. This investigation is not going anywhere because they're really lying. May mga testigo na ho tayo, ayaw pa rin magsalita. So, if you would, Mr. Chair, I would like to cite in contempt these other officers kasama si General Mariano. I hate to say this, but we don't have a choice, Mr. Chair, para kung binabastos ang committee mo, pinaglalaruan, pinagtatatawanan, akala siguro mga batang paslit tayo dito sa Congress. So, we have to teach them a lesson, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Is that a motion, Mr.
Yes, Mr. Chair. That's my motion.
Okay, okay. Before we act on the motion, 1 minute suspension. Hearing resume. Okay, so since we're waiting for a very important document coming from the LSB, so we will act on the motion of our Deputy Majority Floor Leader, Erwin Tulfo. But before we go on into voting, Congressman Paduano, you are recognized, Chairman.
Chairman, before I second the motion, let me clarify if who are those specific PNP officers that will be cited in contempt in today's hearing, as per motion of the Honorable Tulfo.
So we will be more specific on the motion of Congressman Erwin Tulfo. So the motion is to cite in contempt
General Mariano and Colonel Cabradilla.
Okay, so hearing resumed. So there's a motion, there's a pending motion. The motion that was moved by the movant, Congressman Erwin Tulfo, is to cite in contempt the following persons. General Mariano, Roderick Mariano, and Colonel Cabradilla. Is there a second motion?
Second, Mr. Chairman.
It was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Second motion, Mr. Chairman.
So now we will be meting out the penalty. So any motion for the penalty?
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Congressman
Yes,
Paduano.
that the person cited in contempt will be detained in this house for 30 days, Mr. Chairman.
So there's a motion that the two personalities mentioned will meted out a 30 days to be delivered in here in this premises. Any second motion? This was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Facility. So any motion where to put the two gentlemen?
Chairman, unless otherwise there is a specific motion, the chairman can decide on that. That's under the rules.
Okay, so we will be putting the two gentlemen in the same premises where the 6 others have been put by this committee. So ordered. Okay, for the meantime, while we are still in the hearing, we will be allowing the two personality to be in here because meron pa rin pong mga questions that will be asked by the members of this committee. So I think
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Tulfo.
If
Okay,
you
go
would,
ahead.
allow. Because it will be unfair, Mr. Chair, if we're putting General Mariano and Colonel Cabradilla on a 30-day house arrest, while the two others, itong mga number 1 na sinungaling, si Quijano at saka Guevara, 15 days lang, if I may recall. Unfair naman ho yun. Sila ho talaga yung, kita mo, harap-harapan yung pagsisinungaling ni Quijana. Why are we only giving them 2 weeks? Then we might as well give them another 2 weeks, Mr. Chairman.
Is that in a form of a motion?
Yes.
Okay, Congressman Erwin Tulfo have a motion to extend the penalty that was meted out to these 6 PNP personnel. Is there any second motion? Extending it from 15 days to 30 days. There is a second motion. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. So it's duly been approved that these 6 PNP personnel will be extending their stay here until such time that they have reconsider their statement in this committee. So for the meantime, so we'll be asking questions. So
Chairman,
Congressman Paduano.
This is just a manifestation, Mr. Chairman. Just to remind and inform all those PNP officers cited in contempt that you have all the right also to ask for a reconsideration to the chair for this committee to reconsider your detention in the House. That is your right. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, so aside from that we have acted upon, this committee would like to act on the warrant of arrest that was issued to these 2 deponents, Michael Novesio and the Mr. Rainier Macadat. We have issued a warrant of arrest and the for these deponents. So we will be withdrawing our search for them precisely because they are here now in the premises of this committee. So any motion for the release of these 2 personalities and be given that right to transfer to the PNP officers.
Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Barbers, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, I personally believe that the motion that you are asking the members to lift the arrest of the 2 deponents can be taken up in the other matters before we adjourn. In the meantime, while we're still in the process of asking questions, may we continue with the interpellations to all our resource persons present, Mr. Chair.
The chair would like to reconsider the advice of much wiser and much senior sa chairman. So
Thank you.
mamaya na po natin aksyonan yung
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Gary Lara, grabe po si Congressman Tulfo, sobrang astig, ang pinakulong mga bigati na opisyal, yan ang dapat tularan, walang pinipili. Pahayag naman ni Oscar Lazo, pera-pera lang naman sa PNP, nabibili na ang appointment, paano pa yun katarantaduhan? Pakulong lahat yan sa city jail para makita kung sino sila. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Ben Pay, kahit gaano kayaman ng pulis, hindi dapat paniwalaan na galing sa mabuti ang kayamanan nila. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.